Today, we're going to explore the best subwoofers that will take your home theater system to the next level. There are hundreds of options out there, but which one is really the right choice? Finding the subwoofer that lets you feel the bass and hear every detail can completely change your experience. I've gathered the top picks for you, so if you're ready, let's dive in. Number 5. PreSonus Eris Sub 8BT. Experience sound like never before. PreSonus Eris Sub 8BT. Want to feel your music? Then the PreSonus Eris Sub 8BT is exactly what you need. Ditch the cables and expand your sound horizon. Whether it's your phone, computer, or home stereo, this subwoofer blends in perfectly. But it's not just about connection, it's about experience. The Eris Sub 8BT adds depth to your music, realism to your movies, and power to your games. And the best part? You can connect via Bluetooth or traditional wired connections. And wait till you hear this. It's only $199. At this price, getting this level of versatility, power, and quality is a rare find. If you're thinking of getting a subwoofer, put the PreSonus Eris Sub 8BT at the top of your list before the competition even catches up. So do you think there's a better option at this price? Number 4. KEF KC62. Small but mighty, a true game changer. Every now and then, a product comes along that completely shatters expectations. The KEF KC62 is one of those. Forget what you think you know about small subwoofers. This little powerhouse delivers a sound performance that feels way bigger than its size. Sure, it's not exactly cheap, but here's the thing. This compact beast can go head-to-head with much larger and more expensive subwoofers. And it's not just about the sound, it looks stunning too. Mineral white or carbon black. Whichever you choose, it's guaranteed to add a touch of elegance to your space. As for me, I'm completely blown away. The KC62 has exceeded all my expectations, and honestly, at this performance level, the price feels like a steal. If you're after a subwoofer that's powerful, stylish, and compact, look no further. KAF KC62 is the one. Number 3. JL Audio E112. Imagine a subwoofer that you don't just hear, but feel. The JL Audio E112 does exactly that. But it's not your average bass machine. This one perfectly balances power and finesse. While most subwoofers are either too aggressive or too muddy, the E112 handles every frequency with finesse. The bass doesn't drown out the music, it's deep and natural. Not too much, not too little, just right, precise and controlled bass. Feel every acoustic and electric bass with every subtle detail. Depth and texture. It gives you a layered, immersive sound experience. Power meets elegance, delivers impactful yet balanced performance. And the best part? You're getting this premium experience at a great price. If you want to feel the music, not just hear it, the JL Audio E112 is the one for you. Number 2. Definitive Technology Descend DN12. The Definitive Technology DN12 subwoofer really exceeds expectations. It fills the room with powerful bass, and for the price, it offers surprising speed. It delivers high performance, clean bass, without ever overwhelming your senses or becoming too much. This 12-inch subwoofer puts out much more sound than you'd expect from a speaker of its size. The bass is deep and strong enough to literally shake the room when needed. The design is sleek and it fits well in any space, while the build quality is top-notch. Every detail has been carefully considered. When you consider the price-to-performance ratio, this subwoofer is definitely a versatile option you should add to your list. If you're after powerful sound but don't want to break the bank, the DN12 is definitely for you. Number 1. REL Acoustics HT 1510. Looking for a subwoofer that lets you really feel every action scene in your home theater and every bass in your music? Then the HT/1510 Predator 2 is exactly what you need. With its 15-inch driver and 1000-watt amplifier, it delivers an incredible sound experience where you can hear every detail. From design to performance, this subwoofer offers more than just sound. It's a full experience. The 15-inch carbon fiber reinforced cone and Class D amplifier make sure every sound is delivered with precision. When listening to tracks like The Less I Know the Better, you'll feel those tight basses, And with Billie Jean, you'll catch every subtle nuance. Watching movies? The deep bass in action scenes pulls you right into the action. The REL Acoustics HT/1510 Predator 2 isn't just about sound, it's about style too. With its sleek design, it fits perfectly into any room, while the deep bass takes your music and movie experience to the next level.